Have you ever wondered if you can build muscle and strength without lifting heavy weights or going to the gym? Well, today I'm going to share a story that might just revolutionize your fitness routine. In this video, I'll take you through my personal journey of discovering how to build muscle and strength using nothing but the power of bodyweight exercises. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner strength, keep watching. It all started when I found myself in a situation where access to a gym or weights was limited. I was determined to continue my fitness journey and achieve my muscle building goals, but I needed to find an alternative. That's when I asked myself a crucial question: how can I build muscle and strength using just my own body weight? With this question in mind, I began exploring the world of bodyweight exercises. I researched, experimented, and pushed my limits until I discovered a wide range of exercises that targeted every muscle group in my body. And let me tell you, it wasn't about compromising on results. It was about discovering the power within me and the incredible capabilities of my own body. Let's start with the foundation push-ups. They became my ultimate go-to exercise for building upper body strength and muscle. I started with modified push-ups and gradually progressed to full push-ups as my strength improved. I felt the burn in my chest, shoulders, and triceps, and witnessed incredible muscle development over time. But it wasn't just about the upper body. I realized that lower body strength was equally important. Squats became my best friend. I mastered different variations, including regular squats, jump squats, and pistol squats. These exercises engaged my quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, helping me build strength and muscle in my lower body. As I continued my journey, I discovered the power of compound exercises. Moves like burpees, which combine push-ups, squats, and jumps, became a complete workout in themselves. They targeted multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing me with a full-body challenge and incredible muscle-building potential. I also incorporated exercises such as pull-ups, lunges, planks, and mountain climbers into my routine. These bodyweight movements not only built strength but also enhanced my muscular endurance. I felt myself getting stronger, more defined, and more confident with each workout. To take my bodyweight training to the next level, I learned the importance of progressive overload. I constantly challenged myself by increasing the difficulty of the exercises. This could be done by adding extra reps, modifying the exercise variations, or incorporating advanced techniques such as one-arm push-ups or pistol squats. Along my journey, I discovered that nutrition played a crucial role in muscle building. I made sure to fuel my body with adequate protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to support muscle growth and recovery. A well-balanced diet became the perfect complement to my bodyweight training. And you know what? Through my dedication and commitment to bodyweight exercises, I experienced remarkable transformations. Not only did I build muscle and strength, but I also discovered a newfound sense of empowerment and confidence. I realized that the power to shape and sculpt my body was within me all along. So, if you're looking to build muscle and strength without relying on weights or gym equipment, I encourage you to ask yourself the same question I did: how can I build muscle and strength using just my own body weight? Remember, it's about exploring the vast repertoire of bodyweight exercises, pushing your limits, and believing in the power within you. I hope my story has inspired you to unlock your inner strength and embark on your own bodyweight training journey. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips, tricks, and personal stories. Remember, the power to